Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone. We hope you're healthy and safe in these challenging times.
At Madison, our vision to create a well-connected community is even more relevant than ever.
We would like to reassure you that your needs as a customer and the well-being of our people are a top priority.
Like all companies, we've had to adapt.
And we are fully prepared
to implement necessary plans to ensure our businesses can keep running.
As a result, some of us are working from home.
I'm working from home.
Working from home.
From home.
And some of us are still in the office.
We may not be able to visit you,
but we are still able to answer your calls,
emails,
and your technical support queries.
Video conferencing is also helping us stay connected.
Stay connected.
Stay connected.
As a distributor,
we may not know exactly where all the products we sell end up.
But we do know that many of them provide critical communications
to ensure mines,
utilities,
manufacturers,
telcos,
and transportation systems to ensure they continue operation.
We are committed to supporting you
and your needs at this time,
whilst doing what we can to minimise the spread of the virus.
If there's anything you need, let us know and we'll do everything we can to make it happen.
Let's stay well connected.
Let's stay well connected.
Let's stay well connected.
Let's stay well connected and ensure our critical communications infrastructure and the economy keeps running.